New tonight, we're learning about a Tampa doctor and his very personal fight with an incurable disease. Dr. Vincent Tadone was forced to become an expert when his daughter was diagnosed with Lou Gehrig's disease. Now, years later, the treatment protocol he developed is giving new hope to patients living with ALS. Our Gina Patishi taking action for your health, looking at how the treatment works. Gina?
Deanna Tadone Gage went on a run almost 8 years ago and noticed that she was having difficulty. Soon after, she learned of the diagnosis that would forever change her life. I spoke to Deanna and her father, who have teamed up to extend her life and help others fight the disease.
I said, you know, we're going to beat this.
The words Dr. Vincent Tadone told his daughter in 2007. Deanna Tadone Gage was an attorney, recently married and starting her life when she found out at 30 years old that she had ALS.
Without my father, I would not be sitting here talking to you today. He also gave me the hope to fuel my positive attitude.
Doctors gave her little hope, but she and her father decided to create their own, and that's how the Deanna protocol was born.
If on one hand we can give the cells energy, stop them from dying, and on the other hand we can neutralize what's killing the cells, we'll be pretty good. We'll be pretty good until they ever find a cure.
That's the heart of the treatment plan. It combines natural substances already found in the body that anyone can buy over the counter. According to Dr. Tadone, the medical substances included in the Deanna protocol are not only beneficial for people diagnosed with ALS, but can help those with traumatic brain injuries and brain tumors.
It started with helping my daughter, but I'm able to give back and help all these other people.
Deanna says although her diagnosis was scary in the beginning, she and her father want to help others win the fight.
I'm here to tell you that there is hope.
Tadone says that there are currently over 2,000 people around the world that have reached out to them about the Deanna protocol. If you would like more information about the free program, or if you're interested in helping the fight against ALS, you can head over to our website, which is abcactionnews.com, and click on the story links section.
Do it again. One more. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Big. Again, big.
And we started her on that. And I said, this is working for my daughter. Her cognition was improved, her muscle symptoms were suppressed, and the speed with which the disease was progressing was slowed down. And so that was 2011. We had a lot of patients who reported that it helped them also. They stated, you know, I can swallow, I couldn't swallow before. And I don't have the muscle symptoms. Some might say, well, it didn't really help the muscle symptoms. And I would tell them, okay, stop taking it for a few weeks and let me know how you do.